Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy industry developments. U.S. power demand is surging. Siemens Energy has recently announced a $1 billion investment in U.S. manufacturing to expand production of grid equipment and gas turbines. The investment comes as electricity demand rises across the United States, driven by rapid growth in data centers, electrification, and expanding industrial activity. To meet this demand, Siemens Energy plans to strengthen its domestic supply chain and increase manufacturing capacity for key energy technologies. Key elements of the investment include expanding manufacturing facilities to increase production of grid equipment and power generation technologies, scaling up gas turbine production to support reliable and flexible electricity generation, and creating more than 1,500 highly skilled jobs while strengthening the U.S. energy supply chain. For more timely updates and analysis on industry trends, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for the updates shaping America's energy future.